The only thing more satisfying than an ultra-tidy closet, pantry, or laundry room is seeing what it looked like before it was super organized. If you need a little inspiration to start your own, these transformations are the perfect motivation to tidy up. 1. Stagger your shelves. Staggered shelving units are not only aesthetically pleasing, but they also allow you to play with height, which in turn provides more storage space for taller, more sculptural items. 2. Decant everything. There's nothing like opening up a cabinet to see all of your grains, legumes, spices, and more decanted in neatly aligned mason jars. Go the extra mile and throw yourself a label-making party. 3. Label everything. Even if you were the one who stored the items, you might not remember what you put in every box and bin. That's where labeling can help. 4. Organize your spices. It can be a hassle to find which spice you need when you're cooking. If that's the case, opt for a titled drawer organizer. It allows you to have easy access to your spices and see the names of all the spices at once. 5. Construct a grab-and-go cleaning station. By creating a grab-and-go cleaning station, you can keep your supplies simplified and organized in one confined unit. 6. Employ over-the-door storage. Taking advantage of doors is a great way to add storage space. Over-the-door storage units are often used for shoes, and they typically can fit anywhere from 12 to 24 pairs of shoes. 7. Set up a do-later box. This can create mental clutter, which can lead to stress. To alleviate this, keep a specific box where you can put small items you need to sort, put away, or otherwise deal with later. 8. Color coordinate your closet. Roy Beef is many professional organizers' favorite term. The acronym stands for all the colors in the rainbow, and it can help you to organize clothes in your closet by color and make them visually appealing. 9. Invest in multi-use furniture. It's no secret that dressers and armoires typically come with quite the hefty price tag. We suggest a piece of furniture that does all the things. Choose an armoire or dresser combo to ensure you have enough space to hang and fold. That's all for now. Don't forget to like, subscribe and give your comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.